You don't need to be a professional chef to cook a delicious chicken breast with garlic butter in a pan. But what you do need to do is follow this recipe entirely. Now we've got here our chicken breast and we're gonna start by making some shallow cuts into the chicken. And there are two reasons why I wanna do this. One is because the chicken will cook faster, but also the seasoning will get better into the chicken, especially if you don't have time to marinate it. This will work in your favor. And talking about seasoning, in this situation, I'm gonna go simple with salt and pepper. Just make sure that you do this well on both sides. And once the seasoning has been added, try to massage all that seasoning into the cuts that you just made and grab everything that's in a plate. Now, plain flour or all-purpose flour. And the reason we want to add flour is because this will help giving your chicken a nice golden brown color on the outside. But on top of that, we'll also get a nicer sauce consistency. It will have a thicker consistency because of that flour. And you'll see when it comes to cooking. Now let's set the pan on medium-high heat. In goes about 80 grams of butter. And I know it looks a lot and it probably is, but this is also going to be our sauce for the chicken and it's going to be absolutely amazing. Just wait and see. And when the pan is hot enough, we can go in with our chicken. Just make sure that you put it away from you so it doesn't splatter all over your clothes. Now, because my chicken breast is not one of those massive ones that I've seen in other recipes, I don't know where that chicken is coming from, the cooking time will be reduced drastically, I would say. And especially because also we made the cuts. Remember the cuts we made at the beginning? That will help reducing the cooking time. So I'm presuming around 4 minutes on each side, but you can never be 100% right. So that's why I use a probe thermometer. This never lies. Just make sure that you get one. If you don't have one, I've got an affiliate link down below. This will save you guessing. And to also help with the cooking and making sure that it's cooked faster, you can use a lid on and you can create with a lid this oven effect, you know, helping your chicken cook faster all the way around. We're almost there with the cooking temperature. So now is the time when I want to add some fresh thyme. I've got garlic. I'm going to reduce the heat slightly. And I want to grate 2 cloves of garlic into the sauce. The zest from 1 lemon, and this will give a nice zesty flavor to the chicken. It will work so well with the garlic and the butter. You can even add some lemon juice if you wish. Now spoon, and we're gonna cover this chicken now with this beautiful butter. And depending on the situation, you might need a bit more butter because, as I said, you can use it later as a sauce because some of it got absorbed by the chicken, so it's not that much in the end. And by using this method, adding hot butter over the chicken, this will punch even more flavor into our chicken, but you'll also get it to the right temperature because it's only about now that we're reaching 75 degrees Celsius. And now a really important step here. You want to leave your meat to rest for about 2-3 minutes. During this time, the juices will get redistributed into the meat, everything will get nice and balanced, and it will become so much more tender. Make sure you don't skip this step. And with the remaining butter, I'm adding here some freshly chopped parsley. Mix it in. Now, if you enjoyed this simple recipe, I've got another one for you right here. And if you want to be up to date with cooking tips and more simple recipes, make sure that you subscribe to my newsletter, which is in the description of this video.